It's back to school time, and parents are always wondering the best way to keep their kids engaged and ahead of the curve.
Yeah, music expert and coach Dan Spencer shares some of the amazing science-backed facts of how parents can supercharge their children's academic performance, all thanks to music. Take a look. So Dan, tell me, how can parents improve their children's academic performance with music?
Craig, thanks so much for that question. So studies are showing us that intensive music learning on an instrument and reading music are the best ways to get that music boost in academics. Now, this boost that we're looking at can even go up to, on average, 1 year of academics. That means that students who are playing music intensively, who are learning to read music, can be up to 1 year ahead of their peers in academics like math, English, and science.
Well, we love that. We've known that for a long time here on Hometown Living, but it's good to have that reassured. So, you know, you've just released a new series of books that debuted as #1 on Amazon. I mean, you must be like beyond thrilled. Tell me about that.
This has been such an exciting time. So you can see these red guitar books behind me. They've all come out as #1 new releases on Amazon. And the Orange Theory book actually hit #1 on one of the bestseller lists that it's a part of. So I'm just so excited about these books. They are a series of interactive, full color books with video examples, audio examples, play along songs that takes beginners from day one and provides 2 pathways. #1, to just have fun and get that music brain boost along the way. And 2, to prepare students for professional playing and entry into college music programs. Now, students do all of this playing songs that they know and love. That means playing songs from artists like Ed Sheeran, Taylor Swift, and bands like the Beatles and the Eagles, almost any band or artist.
Well, that automatically makes it more fun for the kids. So if I'm a parent, and let's say that I grew up with no musical interest or no, you know, that wasn't part of my scholastic career, but I think, oh, my kid has music in school, they don't need private lessons. Is that true?
Well, I think school music programs are incredible. But the way I like to look at it is this. If you have a child in Little League, you still want to take them to the batting cage. You still want to play catch with them to develop their abilities. In the same way, weekly music lessons allows a music coach to focus just on your child and really tailor and customize the lessons to your child's interests, which supercharges progress.
You, Dan, you are smooth using a sports reference to entice them into music. I'm telling you. I love that. So, you know, my kid comes home and they've introduced the concept of band or orchestra to them, and they're like, I want to play the blank. Ooh, what is the best instrument to start on?
I think for younger students, like ages 5 to 7, the piano, the ukulele, something small, something accessible. Once a student gets a little older, if you have a child come home and say, listen, I want to play the blank, or I want to play the blank, I suggest supporting them in whatever instrument is calling to them. Because the important thing here is not to play instrument A or instrument B. The important thing is to have children making music and playing music and learning music. And whatever it takes to get the child to practice and play, I am all for it. So Johnny wants to play the tuba. Let's get Johnny a tuba.
And get Mom a minivan to carry the tuba, right?
You got that right, Craig.
So Dan, I have a feeling that we have piqued some interest here. So where can the folks at home go to find out more information about the things that we've talked about?
Well, they can head over to bestmusiccoach.com. That's all spelled conventionally, Best Music Coach. And then the books are available on Amazon. The Best Guitar Book for Beginners, the Best Music Theory Book for Beginners, and also coming soon, Best Piano Book for Beginners. And we're looking forward to it. It's going to be a great time.
Dan, thanks so much for sharing all the great information. Keep up the good work, and I'm sure we'll see you again.
Thanks so much for having me on.
For more information, you can visit bestmusiccoach.com.